Aimbot is 0.0. How's it gonna be this time? Wait, hello?
Hello.
Hello, bro.
What's going on?
I'm doing good, bro. Hey, can you see my, you wanna check on my gun, bro?
Welcome to the DMZ. Explore, secure intel, and loot to gain access to new missions. Enemy threat is high, so expect
I love my
contact.
gun. Look at it. You see my gun? I love it. It's
Yes,
purple.
it's nice. It's very nice. I like it so much. I like it so much. Purple. Oh my! I don't know where I'm buying it.
Inbound for extraction. Be with you soon.
I love you, kind.
Yes, me too. Very hard to find.
Oh dang it, I gotta cover you.
We're approaching the LZ. Get it secure.
What do we do? I don't win. He vanished. I gotta go. Oh, they're coming, they're coming. I'm in the building, but I'm stuck. I'm running. Get it! No. Damn, bro. Bro, I was dead. I was almost about a gate.
I'm right here talking to my new friends. They're trying to decide whether they revive me or not. You know.
Hello. I come into peace. We all come into peace. Hello. Almost down there, bro. Back up. I back up.
Contact! Taking effective fire! UAV is in the air.
I need to take shield.
Taking effective fire.
I gotta stay safe. Hold up. I'll take it.
Warlord Al-Nar, codename Pyro, is active in your area. He's got a bounty on his head if you want it. Ultra One, a squad mate is down. You are taking effective
Damn,
fire.
he's dead.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
He's right there.
Squad
Who's
mate is
shooting me,
down.
bro?
You are taking effective fire.
Bro, what the? Hello.
Hello. Who we
Hello.
did?
Hello.
Hi.
Bro, grown ass
Oh,
man.
night.
Yeah, are you?
What'd you say? Are you already getting B?
Good job, good job, good job.
Yeah. What? Huh? What about a blueberry muffin?
It's big, it's place.
What?
Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good.
A blueberry muffin.
Assault rifle marked.
Is a goofy muffin.
Come on, hit him. Come on, hit him.
No, I actually want that. Yo, is this game online or is it just like, where are all the actual players?
Ultra One, your squad is separated. Suggest you stick together.
Man, why can't you jump over that? What the fuck? What are people? What are people? Is it? I'll push it.
I'm coming towards y'all. No, come towards me, come towards me.
Me?
Hostile advanced UAV deployed.
Coming.
Hey,
Alright,
I'm dead, I'm dead.
I'm ready. Guys, stop.
Bro, they tried to record me, bro.
Oh! No, all of them gotta come. Yep, they're all right there.